Welcome to the ProBook AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use eCover Builder. Go to the left menu and click on eCover Builder. Now you are in the eCover Builder section. You can upload an image, select from Media Library, or you can upload a template. You can choose templates from our template library. You can also choose a blank canvas. Once you choose your desired option, your chosen image is ready to edit. You can adjust the image. Frames. You can undo or redo any change. You can add text to your image. You can add images to your template either from your local or from a media library. You can add shapes to your image. You can add elements to your image. You can add icons to your image. You can also add QR codes to your image. You can draw your image. Once you are done editing, you can save your edited image or you can download it in your desired format. Thanks for watching the video.